How to add payment badges in Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Embed the app, then click on save. Go back to the app. Here you can see create a new badge. Click it here. Here you can select for product page, cart page. I am doing for product page. Click it here. Here you can see payment icons. Here you can see the live preview here as well. Here you can remove the icon or upload a custom icon from here as well. Here you can add more icon as well. Click on add new icon. If you want to add custom icon, you can simply add it from here and then click on save. As you can see, the custom icon has now uploaded. After that, click on continue to design. Here you can change the templates. Here you can change the gradient background as well. Now click on placement. Here you can select for all products, for specific products. If you want for specific products, click it here and then select product. Let's say I want for luxury watch. Click it here and then click on add. After that, click on publish. Your badge was successfully published to your store. Now check in the store. The payment badges are now showing. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.